Makakan is a greater demon pledged in service to the Lord of Change, Tzeentch. Amongst the most treacherous scions of the Changer of Ways, this demon loathes the idea of combating its foes with physical might, instead preferring to cast illusions to confuse and bamboozle its enemies. Seeking out opponents worthy of its guile, this Lord of Change has fostered a particular hatred amongst the Grey Knights chapter of Astartes, their immense knowledge of demonology making them a worthy nemesis to contend with. Manipulating the cult of the Red Talon on the world of Andraxes to draw out its prey, during 855.M41, Brother Captain Arvin Stern repelled the Chaos Cultists in thrall to the demon's will, banishing Makakan back into the tides of the Immaterium. Impressed by the warrior's mastery of warpcraft, Makakan vowed to one day best this formidable foe. Its vow to claim Stern's soul as reprisal for his defeat, still shadowing its every move. Returning to real space 100 years to the day of its defeat during 955.M41. On 2 occasions, these nemeses have dueled on the battlefield, clashing wits and willpower against their impressive sorceries and martial skill. Each defeat fueling the demon's plots to torture Arvin for eternity. Even within the realm of chaos, this Lord of Change has tasted the bite of a Grey Knight's blade, wielded by the long-trapped exemplar of their creed, Kaldor Draigo. Bested by the Supreme Grand Master at the gates of the inevitable city, Draigo's spurning of a means to return to his brethren would be rewarded with Makakan's entombing within the ruins of the city's walls. Its fate unknown to this day, perhaps this cunning Lord of Change shall mete out its fury in time, though not without great risk of injury, by the Scions of Titan.